Hello, as Jed Dodd would say. I'm just going to show the people that are struggling with iron signals on the Equinox 800 and 600 the type of noises that iron make and what you should and shouldn't dig, and how to tell if it is iron or if it is iron, whether you use FE or F2. I prefer F2 because there's more information in it, as in the fuzzies on the end, etc. There's just a lot more to listen to, and it's easier to tell. I've got a signal here. This is really easy, but it's just a good example for beginners. Now you're detecting along. There's loads of iron here. Sorry about the cars, and they're really annoying. Right, there's loads of iron in here, and I mean loads. It's a paddock, and it's full of crap, iron and all sorts of crap. Loads of coke and loads of burnt ash. So you're detecting along. Now I've seen people dig these up. They get this signal. I mean, I can tell instantly it's iron, but people get a signal and it sounds solid, sort of, and then they try to make it even more solid to make it a better signal. But you can hear all the fuzzy wuzzy. It's breaking up, and on the screen it's going -5, -7, 14, 15, 17, 15, 0, -16, -1. So you can tell it's iron that way. It's horrible stuff. Sorry about making stupid noises, but you know what I'm like on the diff. Right, if we go on a right angle, look, the tone changes. But it's still two-way. But again, 20, 40, 16, 38, 5, 2, -6, -5, -4. The numbers are up and down and up and down. This is a good time when you can rely on numbers when you're trying to sort iron out. And it's always best in iron to search really slow, and when you get a signal and you're trying to identify iron, it's always best to swing slow as well over the signal, because you get more information. Again, it breaks up, it goes fuzzy, numbers go even crazier, whereas if I do this, it sounds like a more solid signal. So I'll move on to another one. I've marked them with thistles and things. Where's the first one? If I can find it. Oh, there it is. Right, so this one, this is a lower signal, because you do get low and high iron as well as low and high non-ferrous and medium. I'm on F2 here. I'll go on to FE. When you put it on FE, the signal sounds more solid. There's not as much information there, so it is easier to get fooled by FE if you're in. Excuse my voice; it's not right good at explaining. I'll put F2 on, and instantly you can hear all that extra information coming through. And brakes as well. And -13, 16, 25, 22, 24, 14, 9, 30. It's going crazy. And look, the slower I go when you... Look how much brakier it is now. It's horrible. Now to these up here. When I can find them again. Oh yeah, here's one. Where's he gone? Like I was saying before, people will get a signal that we're detecting along. You hear all that iron, look. They'll be detecting along. And if you're going really quick, you're going to get even more solid sound of signals. Because there's no information coming through and it's just going too quick for the chips to process everything. That's in all detectors, by the way, when you're in bad iron. So when they go over this one, they'll get a signal like that. And then they'll stop. So you listen like that. And they're whizzing along like this, and they'll stop and they'll, oh yeah, oh that sound, I'll dig that because, but if you're going at the correct speed, listen to that. Now it sounds horrible. And negative 10, negative 15, negative 14, negative 5. In this patch here, patches like this is a hot spot, and the reason it's going mad and crazy is because it's a hot spot. It's been habitated, it's got coking iron, etc. It's general living. People tip that type of stuff away. Well, they did then. This is the speed you want. This is the speed that's preferable in conditions like this. Look at that, that's iron. That's a low signal iron. Numbers going crazy again, 17, 19, 10, negative 5, negative 2. Whoop. That's a big piece of iron. Numbers going crazy again. Numbers always go crazy. I'll dig that up in a minute. That is the signal in between all that. Okay, so there you go. Make sure in every iron you give the coil enough information, and you won't get enough information like this or like this. Right, John, you found up? Oh, I found it really quiet. Not many signals. It's a crap site. I paid a tenner to go on here. I'm not coming again. It's bloody rubbish. What you say, Jim? Yeah, I'm having the same problem. Bloody rubbish. Can't find now. I'm not paying to come on here again neither. What do you think, Jerry? Yeah, I'm the same. There's not much. Not much. And believe me, I know people that detect like this. Bloody madness. Anyway, there you go. I'm getting a bit giddy now. Alright, cheers.